It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
This loser gets breakfast. What we having for breakfast, babe? Ma'am, please state your name for the record. Hey. What are you doing? You look upset. You look. Your boy E Money Boss took the W. I knew it was over as soon as I took her queen. I told her not to play with me. I was an almost champion. I was in second place in middle school. And you know, some things you just don't forget, you know what I mean? Let me go ahead and help her out with these pieces.
You should.
Whoa, you don't speak to a champion that way.
Hey y'all, it's Miss America. Only reason E Money won is because he cheated. I saw him when he moved that pawn in another way. Like he moved the pawn, he cheated. But it wasn't on camera. It wasn't on camera. I mean, but because I'm such a sportsman-like person, even with cheating, I don't mind going to pay for breakfast.
It's cool. I got lunch and dinner tonight. I should have just said lunch.
No, you said, well, it's too late. Can't take you back. I'm the best loser ever. All right, see you here. We'll see y'all when we come back and we tour Miami. We go on the beach.
All right, guys. We on Ocean Drive.
Ocean Drive.
It's a beautiful day in Miami.
Time for breakfast.
Yeah, brunch. You know.
Maybe brunch.
Nah, we getting brunch. All she wants.
All you can drink.
You know, we come from the brunch capital of the world.
Super brunches.
So we want to see what they're hitting on out here in Miami. But first, we got to stop at CVS. She's like, don't tell them what I need to get. It's none of their business. I brought my deodorant. That's all I'm saying.
You use my deodorant. You've used it though, so don't begin to be like,
you can use mine.
Yeah, well,
like that,
so
like that commercial. What's that commercial? The Old Spice commercial? It's lavender.
Going to go get deodorant.
Luckily, CVS is on the way to the restaurant that we're gonna get. So, yeah, we'll see you guys in a few.
See you.
Oh yeah. Bottomless, brunch, tacos, mahi. How was it, babe? Cool.
Can you say my love? Oh, sorry.
I'm not about to start a foot page. How your dog's doing over there? Oh, man. All right, guys. We just got a pedicure and a massage, full body massage. We're waiting for our lift to go back to the hotel. Yo, that massage was everything. It was amazing. Hello, I see you. Hello, how are you?
How are you?
Oh, amazing. You got a bag in your face. How was your massage and your pedicure and your nails and all that? Pretty good. We just did a little 45-minute massage. That was the fastest 45 minutes of my life. Like, it was amazing. They had like some Asian Naruto music playing in the background, and I had my AirPods on, listening to nothing but like hip hop, R&B. It was a perfect blend between hip hop and Naruto. I was happy.
Trap Naruto.
Trap Naruto. So it's an amazing day in Miami so far. We're gonna go back to the hotel, and then what do you say you gotta do?
I wash my face because he massaged my face and I got all this oil on my face and my neck. So I gotta get that up.
Okay. When she's done, then we're gonna go to the beach, get some drone footage.
Don't like this angle.
We'll be back. What's good, y'all? We back in the room. You know, it was lit. We had a great experience. Hey, you want to show them your feet? I bet she do. She want to show y'all her feet. I'm not gonna see my feet.
They know you ready, so I can model them.
Ooh, feet dead.
Yes.
Feet dead. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So she got her feet dead. I just, you know.
You got yours done too.
I got mine done too. I
You
guess.
got yours done too.
So I'm gonna go out here, chill for a little bit, you know, enjoy the beautiful scenery. So now we got some stuff on our itinerary today that we still gotta complete. I think what we're gonna do next, we'll probably go to the beach next. It's 3 o'clock. I think we go to the beach, give y'all some drone footage maybe. And then lunchtime, and then we'll go ahead and regroup from there. Cool? All right, y'all. We'll catch you guys in a minute. MIA. What's good? It's your boy E-Money Boss. Miss America. From our view. FOV. We out here. We walking to the beach right now. Yeah, we about to go get to this water.
Finally made it. We played with the drone a little bit. We got some great shots for y'all. It's gonna be lit, it's gonna be amazing. But first things first, we wanna show y'all this water.
Hey, it's not Ocean City. It's not the Caribbean either though.
Yeah, that's true. That is true.
What's good, FOV? We back after chilling on the beach, relaxing, having a good time. Now it's time to eat. Hey, what you ready to eat? Oh, hey. We got a DJ downstairs, a personal DJ. Shout out to the DJ. All right, let me show y'all what we got. Got me a little waffle, chicken and waffle burger situation going on here. The chicken tenders. What you got over there, babe?
Supposed to be chicken and waffles.
Chicken and waffles. Chicken, cheese, waffles. Some fries for the sides. You know what that is right there. Y'all know what I'll be drinking on. So that's a little, that's a pina colada right there for that. Yeah. Yeah, all right. I'm done talking to y'all because I got to eat now. Okay, bye. Okay. We're on the rooftop. Waiting for Miss America because she forgot the plug for the drone. We about to go ahead and take off, you hear me? Y'all about to go ahead and see all this aerial view over here. Look at these views though. Look at these views. Look at these views. Look at these views. Views. Oh. Now she back. Alright, so let's go ahead and get the show started.
Alright, so back to the regular schedule. I don't know what E-Money Boss was saying, but I'm here. I'm on time. We're ready to fly this drone, see if we get you guys some good visuals of where we are, where we're staying, a little bit of Miami without it crashing, burning, and dying. So wish us luck. You play games. Let this run crash.
Got it? You got it? You see
Yes,
it?
I see it. You're doing a
This
really
my
good
man
job.
right here.
Exactly. You you can't even control your friend.
All right. Hey yo, that drone lit. That drone lit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of us in Miami. There's plenty more videos to go. Can't tell you guys where we're going next, but it's going to be lit. We already booked. Everything is set up for there. We just got to get on another plane and head to the next destination. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment the video, and we'll see you guys on our next trip. Peace. All right. This is hard because the sun is directly in my eyes, but Miss America wanted it this way. So
You wanted to record on the balcony.
because the balcony is lit.
Yeah, that's why the sun's in your eyes.
Okay, anyway. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this episode. We appreciate all of our FOV fam. If you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe to From Our View Vlog. We had a great time shooting this episode. Time to edit this junk.
Lots of editing.
Real quick, we can just say why we wanted to do this. Because why not? As you know, like, if y'all know us, like, we travel all the time, all year long. So we got so many pictures and videos and stuff like that. So it's like, let's go ahead and get this done to try real quick. So yeah, I mean, some of the places we've been to Mexico, Canada, Bahamas, San Diego, Miami, Belize, Grand Cayman, so a couple of Puerto Rico.
America.
That doesn't really count.
America.
Puerto Rico, that was amazing. That's part of America too. But anyway, yeah. So we've been a lot of places, and we got a lot of places that we're planning to go to this year and the next year and the following year. So you guys will be right here in the passenger seat with us, and we appreciate you guys for tuning in and watching. And yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next vlog.
Until next time. See you here.
Oh, we almost forgot. We started a new tradition.
Oh, yeah.
So every place that we go now, we're gonna be collecting keychains. So this episode is for Miami Beach. All right, guys. Till next time.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.